Here's this camera, it's called Insta360 ONE X2. I captured just 2 videos with that one, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos on the memory card of that camera. So out of 2 videos, why I get 6 files? Well, let's analyze it. The first 2 say here in the name LRV, that means low resolution video, and the rest of them are called VID. So that's the first proof that we have just 2 videos, because 2 of them have LRV in them. The second clue that we have just 2 videos is the number at the end of the file name. So this is called 18 and 18, and the next is called 19 and 19. So that's the first video and that's the second video. And those 2 are the low resolution version of those 2 files. So the first file is the low resolution version of these 2. And the second file is the low resolution version of those 2. But why we have 2 files? And that's because the camera has 2 lenses, one on the front and one on the back, and if you shoot in 5.7K resolution, then it creates a video for the front lens and another video for the rear lens. If you shoot in lower resolution, let's say 4K, then it creates just one single file out of those 2 lenses. Let's do another test. If I simply rename the low resolution version and add an MP4 at the end, press enter and open it. Let's mute it. Then we can see the rear lens and the front lens. So this low resolution version contains both images from the left and the right camera. If I rename the higher resolution video, which is called VID, instead of LRV, and just add MP4 there and open it with Media Player Classic Home Cinema, then we see just one video, let's say the rear lens. Okay, let's undo it, undo rename. If I open the low resolution video with Insta360 Studio, then it's loading both of the high resolution videos, and you can see all around in every angle. So this file LRV 18 is loading the VID 18 files. If you delete the low resolution version, delete, then you can still open the 18 files. It doesn't matter on which you double click. Insta Studio, it's opening it and it's fully usable. Let's undo it. But if you delete a higher resolution version, which is called VID, delete, then you cannot open neither the low resolution nor the higher resolution. One file is missing. Let's see that once again. So I'm opening the low resolution version. 5.7K footage is saved in 2 files and one is missing. And if I double click on the VID, which is the high resolution version, one file is missing. So Insta Studio, it's not opening it, but if I rename it into MP4, then a simple video player is opening half of the video. So the video is not totally lost, only halfway lost if you delete one file. You could rotate this one, let's say around 90 degrees to the left, crop the edges, and the video is still somewhat usable. Let's undo it. So although I shot 2 videos, I have 6 files on the memory card. Because of the higher resolution, it creates 2 files for each video, and that's the first video and that's the second video, and it also creates a low resolution version for both videos. You can delete the LRV files, delete, but you should not delete the VID files, because those are the high resolution versions.